Well, fentanyl overdoses have become the #1 cause of death for adults under 50. And more it's being mixed with other drugs. Oftentimes, the user is never even aware. Correspondent Nancy Liu is live in Los Angeles. Nancy, is this expected to get worse with the holidays right around the corner?
It's quite possible, Nicole. The crisis keeps getting harder to fight, with fentanyl getting mixed in with new street drugs and more victims taking it unknowingly. It's estimated that there are now about a death about every 10 minutes, and the holidays could claim more lives even faster.
Ho, ho, ho.
The most wonderful time of the year is quite the opposite for many, and a nationwide shortage in prescription drugs like Adderall has some health experts concerned.
Unfortunately, there are things available on the street that work in the moment for them and make them feel better and get through the season.
A simple text or call can make all the difference.
That's truly what people are looking for during the holiday season, is that connection with people who care about them.
With traffickers making bigger and faster money by pushing products with fentanyl, any drug off the street is like a round of roulette.
Whatever you think you're about to smoke is very likely laced with fentanyl. Whatever drug you think you're about to shoot into your veins or take into your body any other way, you have to assume that it's laced with fentanyl.
By now, there are countless pills all over the U.S. disguised as prescription drugs such as Percocet, Adderall, OxyContin, and Xanax. Fentanyl has even been detected in candy and gummies.
They're going to continue to get very creative because it's a business.
More illegal product is coming in every day, much of it from Mexico. This stash of pills found recently inside a truckload of coconuts. A grieving father sharing his pain and concern just this week, along with the LA County Sheriff's Department.
There's not a drug dealer today that doesn't know there's a possibility the person they are selling to might die.
And due to traffickers developing new illegal drugs that are more colorful and edible, experts fear an increase in deaths among even younger victims. So once again, parents are urged to discuss this crisis with their children. And Nicole, that also includes a warning about sharing candy between friends.
Yeah, we hate to see when anyone is affected, but particularly children. Okay, Nancy, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.